Welcome back, everyone. It's Coach K here. Today we're going to be looking at some really awesome projects. We're going to go into depth into some of the new projects. We're going to go and look at some of the old calls that I made that are absolutely killing it. And we're going to look at some new calls that we're also looking and setting up currently. We're going to have a moonshot pick and my Uniswap shitcoin pick of the day and what actually happened with it. And there'll be one more tomorrow as well, because you don't want to miss all the stuff that I have coming this week that you need to keep your eyes on and you need to be on top of. So let's get started. Make sure you go click that bell, like, and subscribe button. I will see you in a second.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo, huge fat kiddo.
On a bull market,
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo.
we're going to see multi-X gains again.
Fat kiddo.
Okay, now that you're back, check this out. We're going to look at Ethereum first because this prediction was bang on. And sometimes as a technical analyst, it feels great to be bang on because you just literally just read the market for what it is. I want Ethereum to go up, right? That's a subjective feeling. That's a feelings. The market doesn't care about your feelings, okay? The market literally thinks this about your feelings.
Fuck off.
That's what it thinks about your feelings. It doesn't care about how you feel. It cares where the levels are objectively. So I look at this and I thought, you know what? We're going to come back down. We're going to retest because we blew right through this level and never came back to retest it. So we came back to retest this. And my assumption is that we will come and finally get that leg up that will come this week. Now looking at Bitcoin, same thing we've been looking at for quite some time. I drew this. You guys have watched this show for quite a bit. We got front run, meaning it didn't get all the way down to the level that we're looking at right here where I circled, but that doesn't matter. You know, it got front run and it bounced and it came back up, which we can see this is like a hammer. We call this a hammer candle. So we had a hammer, and now if it closes above this line, that would be very bullish and send us back to test that 12.4, 12.5 level, okay, that I was talking about last time. So that's what you're going to look for. This turning into a bounce and closing a little higher, then Bitcoin will be very bullish. Now, Luna, I've been telling everybody for a while, Luna. Everyone says, why are you so loony for Luna? And I keep saying there was something big coming. Well, today the big news came that Binance was listing. I knew this was happening for sure like a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. And I kind of made that known that don't miss it. And Luna has not started and traded on Binance yet. And they won't have a USDT pair for another 2 days, but they are launching with BUSD and BTC, and I expect that they will see a movement on this as well because they did invest into Terra Luna, and there are big things coming from that project. Keep your eyes out for that. If we get this nice bounce and we close above, we have a really nice 6.74R trade. Okay, now looking at Ocean really quickly, we can see that it's topped out a bit, came back down. We have the sell signal on this RSI indicator that I have, MFI RSI. My friend Ali made that, and so I use that seldomly, but it is a good indicator of like we kind of seeing exhaustion might come back down, especially after very large candles. It's quite accurate that it will see. So we tapped that twice this higher levels, and we've gone back down. We've actually tested this level down here around the 786 level, and it could very likely bounce from that level. I would expect it to bounce and continue on up. And Ocean is secretly, guys, Ocean is secretly whispered around that it will be on Coinbase soon, and I agree. Okay, keep that in mind. FET was another trade that we did. This is a successful trade. We went in, we got in on that retest of this level right here on this candle, and we did our full move, and we actually did a little bit more, kept the moon bag, and when it broke below this level, sold out at the same level at 56%. It was a very successful trade, and that's why we look at it. Now, Dia just got listed, okay? This is a very interesting project. It had a lot of supply. It did a Uniswap sale that didn't sell all the tokens, which I found a little bit not bullish, but it's a very interesting project. Now, we all know oracles are very, very big and hot in the space right now, so Dia could be that next big project. Now, it already listed around $3, and it's up around 34 cents per token. And remember, this is a decentralized oracle, kind of like Band and Link and TRB, Teller, and Yuma. These are very hot right now. Keep your eyes on Dia. It could go for a run. Now, BQX is one that I've been charting and waiting for it to come down to my level. It's almost that level, and it kind of is bouncing from there. It might come back and tap that, but this is a good entry point, either right around this level, like 1300s, all the way down to like between 1315 and 1345 would be a good area to enter this one as well.
The potential big time play of the week.
And then my moonshot pick from the week, we're still waiting for it to get and break above this level, so we'll keep our eyes on it. RSR though is just a beast, keeps making all-time highs every single day. Keep your eyes on that one, and I'm not saying that because I hold it, I'm saying it because it's super bullish. Now this is really an interesting one, Wi-Fi. Now it's very low market cap, very low supply for how much money they have in the market cap. Only 30,000 coins. Almost all of them are in circulation, meaning fully diluted, which is very important to me. I like fully diluted projects, and I will make a video on many of the fully diluted projects like BQX, and UTK and other ones that actually have most of their supply already in the market, meaning that as they grow, the project will grow without having any price suppression because already those coins are on the market. Okay. Last thing we look at, DXY. So people said, oh my God, is Bitcoin dumping? Are we done? Remember what I always tell you guys, the DXY is your best friend. It will tell you where the market's going. Well, if the market is going down for DXY, no one is selling gold, no one's selling stocks, no one's selling stuff to buy currency. No one's buying the US dollar. The US dollar keeps getting suppressed by printing and printing and printing, which we've seen over time through all of Corona, basically, that it's gone down because they're printing millions and millions and billions and billions.
The millions and millions and billions.
Now, the DXY is very important, as well as gold. So remember, I'm going to always hammer this to you guys. Gold, DXY, Bitcoin, stock markets. All those are very important to understand where we're going. So are you nervous? I'm not nervous. Gold is going up. In general, Bitcoin's going up, and we see the DXY is going down. We should stay bullish until this shows some type of reversal. If we see something like this, yes, then we need to look at, okay, we should probably exit, but we're in a bull market right now. We should not be bearish, okay? Now, let's move on to something I talked about a while ago. I talked about Ferrum Network. Guys, if you want, above my head right here, there's a link to that video, the TA video I did on July 14th, about a month and 5 days ago, where I said it's going to take 3 months to get to this level, this blue box. You can see it in the chart. We were at 4 cents, and I said we're probably going to come up to 6, and we're going to go to 7, and we're going to probably tap this level around 10 to 12 cents. You know, we'll sputter like up and down, up and down, up and down for a little bit, kind of like we did down here. As you can see, we got up, we came down, we sputtered, we kind of accumulated. So I think we'll do that. We'll come up and down like this, and then we'll bust back up into this 12, 13, and beyond, and we'll have to redo the TA for that one. So Ferrum Network, it's very useful tech, link drop technology. Guys, if you ever want to watch a movie or video on that, there is videos on Ferrum's website of me talking about that as well. Now, let's get into something new. So, yesterday you probably noticed there was a lot of hype for a project called Mantra DAO. Mantra DAO actually shut down BitHum. It shut it down. What did it shut it down like?
What just happened?
I don't know.
That's about right. That's definitely right. Actually, that was perfect. So we saw that it came out. I saw that we had a bull flag formation right from the get-go. I got really excited. I took my profit, and I'll tell you, pre-sale was 0.025 cents. So looking at the price today, even that it hit almost 50 cents on Uniswap, we obviously are seeing some, really nice opportunities there, because when it hit 45 cents, I was in sell mode. I was like, okay, it's time to offload my bag, and I have more coming because I'm in the private sale, and it's automatically staking. So I had the private sale, right? And then we had the public sale, which you pay a little bit more, but you got unlocked tokens. And then we launched on the exchange. And as we can see, they're also potentially, I hear whispers and rumors, these guys will be on BitMax. I hear whispers and rumors that they will maybe be on KuCoin. So this is stuff that you're hearing first from me. This is literally stuff that no one else really knows, but I've been told this, and I think that you should keep your eyes on that as well. Now, what did Porkchop Coin do is the question a lot of people ask. Okay, what is it? Stupid, blah, blah. These guys did a Uniswap IDO in a way that I've never seen, in a way that makes it fair. Okay, and this is why I was really excited about this project. Basically, they made a lottery and they let people, instead of doing it like, it's kind of like a pre-sale where you win in lottery and then those people would get their tokens first, so everyone gets a fair distribution opportunity, and then you can buy it on the market after that. So what ended up happening is the bots that usually come onto Uniswap and buy everything, which makes it really unfair for people because they're not as fast, this took that away. And well, I want to show you guys the results of how I made 18 Ethereum from 2 in one day. Literally not even one day. I actually did that from this morning, which was about 8 hours ago. So think about how crazy that is. They have this roadmap, you know, meme coins are meme coins. These are high risk, these are high reward. These are not things that you put in a lot of capital. These are things where you feel like you're gambling. I have a shitcoin gambling actual channel on Telegram, which you guys can join. There'll be a link right above my head, and you can join in that channel and you can talk about all the shitcoins you want. It's all good. So this thing has been wildly successful, and now it's coming down to support. It may actually bounce somewhere around here at 5 cents and continue. And remember, if you paid 0.008 cents and it's 5 cents, you're okay with that probably, right? So these are plays that are interesting. I'm going to show you guys some other play tomorrow. So if you're not here now, and if you're here now and you're like, well, what's the next one? Tomorrow I'm going to share the next shitcoin play of the week. And I think you guys really enjoy it because they're high risk, high reward. These are not really trading. It's not what I normally do, but it's something that you guys should potentially like look into and understand, even if you don't participate. See you guys tomorrow with a banger new project for the Uniswap shitcoin casino. And honestly, we're going to look at a couple more big plays on the charts. As well, I'll be starting to give you guys some fundamentals into some of the projects that I like and why. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Don't miss it. Smash the bell, subscribe, like, etc. I will see you guys on the next video.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo, fat kiddo, huge fat kiddo.
On a bull market,
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo.
we're gonna see multi-X gains.